Thank you for stopping by. If I can assist you, please contact me at 336-870-7209 Borges Brick/Stone Townhome. This luxurious townhome features an open floor plan, arched doorways, tray ceiling with 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and huge loft. Main level has primary bedroom, tray ceiling with ensuite bath, walk-in closet, exquisite tile shower, west/bench, main level guest bedroom, and full bath. Spacious kitchen with granite countertops, bar seating, all adjacent to dining, and great room featuring a stone gas fireplace and skylights. Living room with gas log fireplace. Main level laundry. Upstairs features a huge bonus room with skylights. The 3rd bedroom, walk-in closet, full bath. This level could be used as in-law suite. 2 walk-in attics with floored storage areas. Sit outside and enjoy your patio with privacy fence and gate access to common area. Minutes from town, but with low Davidson Country taxes. A residence club with rec room, pool table.